The magic is gone. Why did I take my gold dust for granted? I can't help without my gold dust. What is the source of my gold dust?
Is someone there?
Thomas, is that you?
Oh, Mr. Conductor, where are you?
Thomas? Thomas? How could I possibly say that I'm really useful now?
Where is everyone? What have you brought me here for?
It's gonna leave a mark. Oops. Oh, Aunt Edna. Maybe it's in here. Oh, cake. Oh, that's not cake. Oh, how cute. 5 little glass figurines. Oh, hello. Oh, man, this is too much. I've got to get back to the island. I've got to get to Cousin. Hiya. Who are you?
I'm Lily. Who are you?
See, Junior. Did I drop some sunglasses when I came in here?
I don't know.
Oh, well. I might as well use some more of this stuff. See you, Lily.
But what is this stuff?
Mr. Two Feathers! I've seen the stranger and he looks like he's trying to destroy the mountain.
Thank you for telling me, Patch.
Mr. Two Feathers, why are there 2 lines in the middle of this meadow?
I've never noticed that before.
If we knew the answer to that question, Patch, we'd understand the mystery of this valley.
Excuse me. Are you Lily?
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Stacy Jones. I'm manager here. You must have gotten on the wrong train. Your grandpa's very upset. I'm going to take you back to Muffle Mountain.
Thank you.
Stacy, did you know my grandma?
My mother did. She said Tasha was a wonderful dancer. And Billy says that Burnett was once the finest railroad engineer in the valley.
I think Grandpa liked to call Grandma Lady.
Lady?
Yes, I heard him say that name.
Well, my mother said your grandpa certainly had 3 passions in his life. Tasha, trains, and this valley.
That, engine. She's in that mountain, isn't she?
Even if she were, she'd be no good to you now.
You're wrong, Burnett Stone. Just like you're always wrong.
Magic can make a man unhappy. Look what it's done to you. I'm after money, not magic. She's good for one thing.
She's good for scrap. I'll be back, Burnett Stone. I'm just gonna have to level this mountain.
Who's that man with Grandpa?
I found you.
A man who doesn't like beauty.
Hello, Burnett.
Stacy. Hello, Lily.
Hi, Grandpa.
Well, have a good evening, Burnett.
Thanks, Stacy. Good night.
Stacy. You said I wish.
I wish? Oh, yes. I wish you'd come back and see us tomorrow at Shining Time. If your grandpa lets you.
Hey, Grandpa, I saw this really cool guy down at the station. He was really little and kind of golden. Can you believe that?
I used to believe that. Now I only believe what I can see. Come on.
How come you don't live in the valley?
I don't like trains.
But the trains come to Muffle Mountain.
To the other side. This side, there's neither sight nor sound of them.
Are you sure you don't like trains, Grandpa?
I'm sure.
Here, Grandpa. I made this for you. It's a friendship bracelet.
Thanks, Lily. I'll do it.
He loves and she loves and they love, so why can't you love and I love too? Birds love and bees love and whispering trees love, and that's what we both should do. I always knew someday you'd come along. We'll make a twosome that just can't go wrong.
That was Grandma's favorite song.
He loves,
Yes, it was.
and she loves, and they love, so won't